Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if help me write option not showing on your Gmail account. If you try to compose an email and if you want to use help me write option AI feature, and if this option is not available under your compose section, then how can fix this issue? Simply you can see no any option help me write option showing. Help me write option just like a pencil with a star icon. So we will see how to bring back this help me write feature, AI feature. Simply from the left side of menu scroll down and you will see the option upgrade. If you want to use this help me write feature, then you must upgrade your Gmail account. Click on this arrow and here you will have 2 or more plans, get more storage, and the ultimate pass to Google's next gen AI with Google One. So 2 options available, Lite 30 GB and Google AI Pro 5 TB. And if you want to choose at discount rate, then choose this option, second option, otherwise choose first options. And you can see on second option this option is available, help me write features. So simply click on get account and follow on screen instruction, make a payment and subscribe to this feature to enable Gemini in Gmail Docs, videos and more. And you can see a pencil icon just with a star. This is the help me write feature you can easily use from here.